Hey DIYers, Jarrett with Alarm Grid here. Today we're going to be discussing what battery pack is compatible with your 2GIG GC3. Now the battery pack that is compatible with the 2GIG GC3 is called the 2GIG battery GC3. And as you can see, we do have the GC3 pulled off of the back plate or off of the display wall that's behind me right now. And as you can see on the inside, we do have the 2GIG battery GC3 located right here. So I already have the cable unplugged, so what I'm going to do is just pull this out real quick. And now we have the 2GIG battery GC3. It's not going to have the model number telling you that it is the 2GIG battery GC3, but this is the battery nonetheless. This battery backup is meant to last about 24 hours. So if your power goes out or anything, this will keep your system up and going for at least 24 hours. Now it is very essential to have a battery backup for your alarm system, because if there was ever a power outage, at least you'll be able to have the battery backup to keep it up and going. If that alarm system is completely powered down, there's no battery backup keeping it up and going, and it's completely shut off, if there was ever a burglary event, unfortunately nobody is going to be notified because that system is completely powered down. Your monitoring station won't know. If you were using an interactive app called Total Connect 2.0 or alarm.com, unfortunately you wouldn't be notified either through the app because the system is 100% just powered down. So that is the benefit of using the battery backup, so that you can make sure nothing like that happens. Now this battery backup in particular, the 2GIG battery GC3, this is a rechargeable battery as well as the others, and even if the power goes out and this battery backup eventually dies, you don't have to replace it over time. I mean, you will have to replace it over time, but you won't have to replace it immediately. Once that power comes back on and you still have AC power run to your alarm system, it will be able to power up this battery backup. Now, it will take about 24 hours to completely charge this battery. But even if the power goes out while it's charging, as long as this battery backup has some juice, it's still going to keep the system up and going. The 2GIG battery GC3, this battery is meant to last about 3 to 5 years. So, but basically after those 3 to 5 years, or once those 3 to 5 years hit, the battery is no longer going to be able to hold a charge. So what you would want to do is you want to check it periodically after around that time. You just want to make sure if it's working or not. If it is working, that's awesome. If it isn't, then you might want to look into possibly replacing it with another 2GIG battery GC3. Now, if you did have to replace the battery backup for your GC3, it's a very, very simple process. What you'd actually do is you would obviously have your new battery backup, and as you can see, you'll have the slot right here that is made to fit your battery backup into your GC3 system. So what you will want to do is you're going to take your battery backup and you're going to face it so the cable is facing down towards the bottom, because you want this cable to be able to plug into the little slot that's actually right underneath the battery backup. So what you would do is you would take your battery backup, you're going to slide it into this little slot right here, you're going to pop that in, you're going to take your cable, and as you can see, you have the little slot right here that you would plug this into. So you're just going to plug in your battery backup. And if you want to make things look a little nice and neat, you see this little tab right here. You could just tuck the cable underneath there if you want to. And that is the battery pack that is compatible with the 2GIG GC3. If you have any questions about the 2GIG GC3 or alarm systems in general, please contact us at support@alarmgrid.com or go to our website, alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you want notifications on future videos, please click the bell icon. This is Jarrett with Alarm Grid. You have yourself a great day.